Hi friends, Mia je TTAADC ni bisingtwi job okhormani obo Mia horona cancel thaka haifan ang norona phunai rwnai je o job ni bagai ta qualification nangnai tei tama experience nangnai obono phunai rwnai o cancel thanai job ongkha omo tei chong porainai lainai.
Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni bisingtwi je job kaisa lajaknai o job ni mungkha PA2 Stenographer Group C fixed pay hinui swijak tongo post ni mungkha omo oboni vacancies ongkha 20 jon lajaknai o job ni bagui je pay scale jak tongo norok nainai di ro 5700 ni simi 24000 jora rajaknai grade pay ongkhai 2800 taka rajaknai o job ni bagui je education qualification ongkha class 12 pass nangnai oboni ulukhe 30% mark lagai stenographer course khlaijak nangnai je kono ITI ba any ITI recognized board institute ni khlaijak nangnai oboni ulukhe number 2 swijak tongo computer knowledge tongna nangnai 3 month course ni certificate tongna nangnai oboni ulukhe eligible rajaknai iro ST ni bagai 5% mark oboni ulukhe swijak tongo iro number 4 knowledge of Kokbro language ni bai knowledge nangnai age limit ongkha iro minimum swijak 18 years and maximum swijak 40 years obo count khlaijaknai 1 tarik 4 mas 2022 tarik jorano count khlaijaknai ST HC ni bagai iro 5 years eligible rojak tongo oboni ulukhe chong selection process nailainai selection process ongkha borakhai selection naikhe iro 2 stage chong success ma khlainai obo ongkha written test ongkha total 100 marks ni phainai MC o test no qualify khlaibani poreo stenographer ni bagai test khlaijaknai obo ongkha 40 marks ni bagai oboni ulukhe how to apply o apply no chong bahai khlainai khe application format rijak tongo video description ang rinai pore application format no video film rinai last paithago oboni ulukhe e-address ro chong marui honai o application khlaina bagai 3 recent self attested passport size color photograph nangnai o application no chong submit khlaithai 11 ta am ni simi 3:30 PM jora o date ongkha 8 tarik 4 mas 2022 ni simi 18 tarik 4 mas 2022 jora no office ni working time o chong working days ro chong application no submit ma khlainai oboni ulukhe final selection ni process iri rojak tongo normal porainai di final selection process ongkha written test exam short handwritten transcription using computer test obroni upor no merit list ba final selection rajaknai to friends o job ni bagui je apply khlainai chong main nangko application format o format ongkha omo ero photo ma lagainai photo lagaimani porei no chong application no fill up khlaiui submit ma khlainai.
To friends, is job ongkha Mia sarigano okhormani oboni ulukhe horona cancel thangkha haifan ang norona phunai rekha je education qualification experience tamo nangnai tei tamo biodata nangnai tei bahai khe merit list ongnai oboni e job ni bagai ar katal notification okhor khlai ang e channel no upload khairwnai oboni bagai norona koi jago haste no job channel no subscribe khlai toni hinui tei ar katal job notification naina bagai.